A number of factories in Vietnam have been using excess materials from agricultural production, such as rice husk, straw, and bagasse, to develop biomass energy models. This is also one of the cyclical economic models encouraged under the resolution of the 13th Party Congress of the Communist Party of Vietnam.
During this current harvest season, instead of burning straw, Zhang's family has been selling it to factory for about $22 per ton.
We've been selling straw and rice husks to a company to increase our family's income.
This factory collects 10 to 15,000 tons of excess materials annually from agriculture and forestry and uses technology to help generate energy for many factories. This is part of the biomass energy model.
Previously, the excess materials were of no value to farmers, so we used the materials with steam boiler technology to create steam temperatures of up to 170 degrees Celsius, which is suitable for the food manufacturing industry.
For the factory, we are able to minimize the boiler maintenance costs. Our factory has been using clean energies and no longer releases hazardous smoke into the environment.
As an agricultural country, Vietnam's potential in terms of biomass resources is huge, with about 180 million tons per year, and wood biomass energy alone up to nearly 25 million tons, equivalent to 8.8 million tons of crude oil. As such, biomass energy is not only environmentally friendly, but also provides great economic efficiency.